AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here. Subscribe, like the video, click on the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. It says swing trading on automation. So click on the first link here, come to this page, and then watch this video and see these results for last 5 years, how much money you can potentially make on automation. Okay, so I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading, right? So daily chart swing trading, you don't have to do it manually. This will be done automatically. So go and watch this video, then only you will understand what I'm saying. And that will be the first link below the video. And then you can join Telegram if you want some free signals. So just go and check out these links, subscribe, like, coming back to the charts, starting the top-down approach. And you can use this analysis for nzdusd as well, because I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So let's go to weekly time frame. Weekly, we are, I think, well above the EMA. So yes, the trend is up. As you can see, new high price is well above EMA. This was your signal. Okay, so second last week, this rejection meant that if you entered by here last week, you were supposed to make this kind of money. Okay, so weekly sometimes give us clear signals. For example, this hammer and then this rejection. So weekly is quite simple. Okay, so if you can figure out which candle has given you the rejection in weekly, then that coming week will be profitable for you. Okay, so be alert and focus on the higher time frames. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we are again in the uptrend. Previous highs broken, as you can see, new highs created. If you're a swing trader, wait for the pullback. Okay, pullback is going to happen until the EMA in the higher time frames. So if you use your fib levels, or even if you don't use, from my naked eyes, I don't have to use Fibonacci. This is your uptrend, and the pullback will happen until the EMA in the days to come, and it will have the rejection from here, and then you will continue going up. Okay, so this is it. Look for longs. Coming back to 4 hour, we have not made a new high. Okay, so I'm not looking for longs, because if you come back to daily right now, you can see this was your uptrend. So price in daily is next to maybe exhausted, or it is very possible that it might end up going until 6700 as well before pulling back. Okay, so right now we are on the edge, and don't enter if you are a positional trader. If you are a swing trader, there's no way you're gonna enter right now. You will wait for the price to exhaust at the top, and then pull back, and then take your entry. Okay, so that's it. That is AUDUSD. But if you do not understand all this manual analysis, and you don't want to keep doing watching these videos every day, if you then check out the first link below the video, it says swing trading and automation. Come and watch the video and figure out what I'm saying. This is for people who want to do set and forget system. Okay, so go and check this out, subscribe, like, join Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.